Hey, Zoe, check it out.
Almost? Almost?
No, I can do it. Watch.
Here, let me try.
Sure. Show off.
Hey now, just takes a little practice. Actually, this kind of reminds me of the way the planets rotate.
The planets? Zoe, science class was like 3 periods ago.
I know, but think about it. The Earth just keeps spinning and spinning on its axis.
Guess you're right. Lucky for us, the rotation of the Earth is like night and day compared to the basketball's rotation on my finger.
That's for sure. And speaking of night and day, you know it's the Earth's rotation that causes night and day, right?
One rotation equals 1 day, right?
Exactly. As the Earth rotates on its axis, different parts of the world face the sun, while others face away. The sun is what gives us daylight, so when a part of the Earth faces the sun, it's daytime in that part of the world. At the same time, on the other side facing away from the sun, it's nighttime. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to make one complete spin.
That's right, 24 hours in a day.
Uh-huh. And just like your basketball, the Earth spins around an axis. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line from the North Pole to the South Pole, and it's tilted at an angle.
Huh. I didn't know its axis was tilted.
Yeah, and the Earth orbits around the sun.
Sort of like when the basketball spins around the rim of the net.
Yeah, planets orbit the sun, and moons orbit their planets. When a planet completes a full orbit, it equals 1 year, complete with different seasons.
What causes seasons anyways?
Well, it's the Earth's tilt on its axis, along with its orbit, that causes the seasons. You know how we split the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres, right?
Yeah.
Well, as the Earth makes its orbit, different hemispheres are tilted toward or away from the sun. When tilted toward the sun, that part of the planet receives more light and warmth.
Making a warmer season?
You got it! Our summer happens when our part of the Earth is tilted toward the sun, and winter is when we are tilted away from the sun, meaning less light and less warmth. When it's winter here in the US, it's summer down in the southern hemisphere.
Any planets that have one warm, sunny season only?
Haha, nice try. All the planets orbit the sun and rotate on an axis, so they've got the same deal as the Earth. However, there are a few key differences. The length of a day or a year is different for each planet.
Makes sense to me. The longer the orbit, the longer the year, right?
Yeah, and a planet's size and the speed of its rotation can make its day longer or shorter. Like a day on Saturn is only 10.2 hours long. It's huge, but it spins super fast. And a day on Venus is, get this, 243 days on Earth.
What? That's like 5,832 hours.
Imagine that school day.
Yeah, really. There sure is a lot more revolving around this rotation business than I thought.
Totally. Let's see if you can put your own spin on it. Think fast.
Oh, I got this, Zoe. I got this. The Earth orbits around the sun and the moon orbits around Earth. As it orbits, the Earth is rotating too. It's the Earth's rotation on its axis that causes day and night. As the Earth rotates and makes its orbit around the sun, we get seasons because parts of the Earth are tilted toward or away from the sun. Ha!
Yeah, RJ. Now that's what I call a spin for the win.